Hello students, good morning. Uh, this is the class for business study, class 12th, demonetization in India, chapter 1st, part 1st. Demonetization. What is demonetization? Monetization, a radical monetary step in which a currency unit status as a legal tender is declared invalid. On the 8th November 2016, our Honorable Prime Minister declared that the currency note of the rupees 500 and 1000 will be not valid till the 12 o'clock of the 9th November 2016. Why there is need to have the demonetization? First, change in national currency. Second, current currency is retired from the circulation, and that was the remarkable step of the Indian government in the history after 1991 economic development, tackling the black money and terrorism to seize the fake currency here. Okay, not only 2016, but it happened in 1946, 1954, and 1978. Morarji Desai, Honorable Prime Minister, also took that step. So